Welcome guys, I'm here in Century Tuna Hotel. You see this my room. This is my moment here in Century Tuna. Very nice and clean. So if you come here, have also free foods here when you stay. Eat all you can if you want. I'm just waiting here because it's coming driver here. It's 10:30. Go in airport after flying, go in Kawayan City. This is my city. Kawayan City, Isabela. So, see you later. You see? Before I arrange my hair there. This is my moment. I take video. This is my friend. She coming in my room.
Kasama'y laging luha, marahil nga'y di ka mahiyang tanging pinagpala. Sa may lalang dito sa balat ng lupa. Sinong
Nice voice,
mapalad, sino ang kawawa?
This is my friend.
Bang halos ang buhay, inalay sa bansa. Iwanan ng lahat ng paraan upang mahiwalay sa aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko ang ibinigay na karangyaan. Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam.
Ay, kala mo naman talaga hanggang saan.